Guys, this is not a joke. It is actually raining unicorn blood. Yes, I did. It's actually raining unicorn blood. What are the chances? This never happens. This never happens at all. It's unicorn blood.
He just said Game of Life 201 you just
One.
oh you won. Just said it's raining. It's unicorn blood and I come out of the dumpster and I'm like
Oh. Do you want Gamer Girl? Yes. Go somewhere.
what?
Guys! I want to go with the unicorn blood. This is so rare. I unicorn blood? I've never heard of that. Unicorn blood.
Okay, yes.
This is so rare. Bro.
Okay.
What are the chances? I'm definitely gonna post this. Make sure this gets a lot of views and spread the word. Unicorn blood, look at the bottom left. Just look at the bottom left. Look at it. You are covered in unicorn blood. No, I did not edit this. And you can tell because it's droplets. And even Gamer Girl can approve.
It's all pink.
Okay. When it stops raining unicorn blood, I'll post this.
But that's not going to be until a while.
Yeah, until I'm done with this
It's
video.
just like a super short, small video that it'll show.
Make sure you guys spread this word.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, we can't really trust that. We can't really do that. But it could happen. The chances of this are insane. So I guess there's a 9% chance of rain and a 1% of unicorn blood.